Hello everyone. I wanted to briefly show you how it's easy and convenient to use an iPad for recording notes. First thing you need, of course, is an iPad and Apple Pencil, and an app for note-taking, such as Notability. This one allows you to do a number of interesting things and draw directly on the screen to prepare asynchronous lecture material. With the iPad and the app, you need to enable screen recording. To do that, you go to Settings, and then you go into what's called the Control Center, and then you go to Customize Controls. Right here you'll see an option in my include list called Screen Recording. If it's not in your include list, it will be down where it says More Controls. To initiate, swipe down from the upper right hand corner, and you'll see on the bottom of this there's a record button. You'll have to turn audio on, so long press on that and you can toggle audio on or off. Then that's it. You can start recording, and when you stop recording, it will save it as a video in your Photos album.